you know, according to the World Health Organization, obesity has more than doubled in children and quadrupled in adolescents since 1980 worldwide? The National Center for Biotechnology Information has found that Exergaming, or active video games, is an emerging technology that uses interactive games to increase exercise behavior, and it's becoming one of the most popular ways to combat obesity in kids. UnitedHealthcare is donating 10,000 Nerf Energy game kits to schools and community organizations across the country, and local kids with the Boys and Girls Clubs of Southeast Louisiana were some of the lucky recipients. More about the games and the benefits in our Community Health Heroes report.
Who in here likes to play video games?
Me!
Oh, everybody, huh?
UnitedHealthcare donated 75 Nerf Energy game kits to pint-sized members of the Boys and Girls Clubs of Southeast Louisiana in New Orleans as part of a national initiative to encourage young people to become more physically active through Exergaming.
Exergaming is a combination of exercising with screen time video games. So a lot of times kids are often glued to a TV set playing a video game. Well, this Exergaming allows them to exercise, earn points, and then apply those points towards screen time and video games.
With the help of UnitedHealthcare mascot, Dr. Health E. Hound, UnitedHealthcare's Nelson Raines distributed the Nerf Energy kits to the energized kids who couldn't wait to go outside and play. The Hasbro and UnitedHealthcare donation is designed to get kids moving with these kits that include a Nerf Energy game band, a Nerf Pro Foam soccer ball, and instructions to download the Nerf Energy Rush mobile game. As children participate in physical activity, they earn energy points that are tracked by the activity band, and these points turn into screen time to play the mobile game on a smartphone or tablet.
For years we had kids, before social media, before computers, before video games, you spent most of your time outside playing, and that's not always the case. And depending on which city you're in, or maybe there's not parks or places for you to go out and play. So this gives you the opportunity that even in a small backyard, you can go and do some fitness activities and then earn points to go play those video games. So it's tremendous in getting them to think about fitness as a reward, and the big reward's going to come later in life, that they're physical fit, healthy lifestyles, which play in so many roles in their life. That's going to be tremendous.
Thomas Falgout, the president and CEO of the Boys and Girls Clubs of Southeast Louisiana, sees the data in motion every day. According to the latest United Health Foundation's America's Health Rankings report, 35% of kids in Louisiana are obese. He said that's due in part to not getting enough exercise.
And our kids who come to Boys and Girls Clubs a lot of times may not have the opportunities that they need and the support systems beyond Boys and Girls Clubs, beyond maybe at home or school. So this is just another opportunity that, thanks to UnitedHealthcare and Hasbro and the Nerf ball and the Fitbits, so the fact that kids will participate in fitness activities, the Fitbit will give them points to play video games. And the more fitness you have, the more points you have. Kids today a lot of times are sitting down watching video games, not necessarily playing. So this will give them the opportunity. You want to play more games? Let's go and do some fitness activities.
If you can get people doing stuff at an early age, and they're more likely to carry those in as they age, and then also if they're not obese before they get older, then they're typically less inclined to gain that weight. And what a lot of parents might not realize, or the public might not understand, is that being obese as a child can lead to other serious health conditions such as diabetes, heart disease. So it's very important.
Okay, time to rotate, guys, rotate.
So the Fitbit is great because it measures their activity and their fitness, and then it rewards them with points to go play video games. So in today's world, where a lot of our kids are playing video games and maybe not as fit, which is why we have such high rates of childhood obesity, you'd want kids to participate at least 60 minutes a day of physical fitness activities. Doesn't have to be all at the same time. So this Fitbit, if you're wearing it, walking, anything and everything you're doing is fitness, and it gets people to understand that it doesn't have to be all at one time. And the more you do, the more fit you are, the more activity you participate in, the more points you earn that you can play video games. So it's really cool. Have people like Hasbro and UnitedHealthcare come out and say why you should be fit, why is it healthy to be fit, and it's fun. And so that's huge for kids who always looking for something fun to do, and now you can pair it together.